Today we're diving into Skool, an innovative education management software designed to streamline administrative tasks and enhance learning experiences. Skool is typically used by educational institutions including schools, colleges, and universities to manage student records, academic resources, and communication channels. Throughout this video, we'll explore Skool's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's kick off this review by taking a look at Skool's main features. Comprehensive student management. Skool offers a comprehensive student management system, allowing educators to maintain accurate student records, track attendance, and monitor academic progress. With Skool, administrators can effectively manage student information and streamline administrative tasks. Integrated learning resources. Skool provides integrated learning resources, including online classrooms, course materials, and multimedia content. Educators can create engaging lessons, assignments, and assessments within the platform, fostering interactive learning experiences for students. Efficient communication tools. Skool features efficient communication tools such as messaging, announcements, and forums, facilitating seamless communication between educators, students, and parents. These communication tools enable timely updates, feedback, and collaboration within the educational community. Customizable reporting and analytics. Skool offers customizable reporting and analytics tools, allowing administrators to generate detailed reports on student performance, attendance trends, and academic outcomes. These insights empower educators to make data-driven decisions and optimize educational strategies. Secure data management. Skool prioritizes data security and privacy, implementing robust encryption protocols and access controls to safeguard sensitive information. Administrators can trust Skool to protect student data and comply with privacy regulations, ensuring a safe and secure learning environment. Scalable and flexible platform. Skool is a scalable and flexible platform, accommodating the needs of educational institutions of all sizes. Whether it's a small school or large university, Skool can be tailored to meet specific requirements and scale alongside the institution's growth.
Skool offers a straightforward pricing model, providing one premium plan priced at $99 per month. This plan grants users full access to the platform's features without any tiered options. While Skool does not offer annual discounts, it does provide a 14-day free trial for users to test the platform before committing to a subscription. Compared to other platforms like Kajabi, which starts at $49 per month for up to 50 users, Skool's pricing is higher but provides unlimited user access under a single subscription plan. Users praise Skool for its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and responsive customer support. The platform's intuitive design and robust functionality contribute to a positive user experience, enabling educators and administrators to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Skool's pros include its comprehensive student management system, integrated learning resources, efficient communication channels, customizable reporting analytics, secure data management, and scalability. However, some users may find the learning curve steep initially, and additional customization options may be desired.
Alternatives to Skool include XYZ Education Platform and EduHub. These platforms offer similar features and functionalities, providing educational institutions with options to choose the solution that best aligns with their needs and requirements.
In conclusion, Skool emerges as a leading education management software, offering a comprehensive suite of features, flexible pricing options, and a user-friendly interface. Sign up today to revolutionize education management and unlock the full potential of your institution with Skool. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more software reviews and tips. Also, feel free to check out our new how-to series. Thanks for watching.